Hi, this is Kirk. Today we're at a multifamily property on Glencoe in Denver, and today we're going to be doing gutters and a rear eyebrow on the roof where they have some water damage. It's open rafters and it's leaking, so we'll be replacing the decking and the roofing material. This is the front of the property on Glendale, which we replaced all the gutters and the roofing and decking in the eyebrow in the back. This is the eyebrow we're replacing on the roof in Glencoe. You can see on the back part there's no head wall flashing. This is most likely the culprit for the leaking on the roof. This is an open rafter system. It's open rafters. You can see there the water damage. So we're replacing all the decking, new roofing, and gutters. Well, we have the gutters removed. Now Corey's going to build the gutters, and we're going to get a video of the gutter machine. Okay, here's the seamless gutters we're going to be putting on the house. We have a roll of coil in the back of the gutter trailer, and it form fits to the size of the gutter. We're back at Glencoe in Denver. This is the finished product. We have 3x4 downspouts, 5-inch gutters all the way around the house. We've replaced the rotten decking board, replaced some rafter tails. We've also replaced a new piece of the siding, the roof. Again, here's the gutters. Put on head wall flashing, which wasn't on there before, which caused the problem to begin with. This is Kirk Johnson with Energy Star Exteriors. If you have any projects, windows, siding, roofing, gutters, soffit, fascia, please call us.